What happens when the submarine reaches its crush depth? There are two ways to define crush depth: the safe crush depth and the actual crush depth. The safe crush depth is the maximum depth that engineers say it is safe for a submarine to dive. The actual crush depth is the depth at which a submarine will actually implode. When a submarine reaches its crush depth, the pressure outside is much greater than the pressure inside. This causes water to rush into the submarine through any openings or cracks. This can cause parts of the submarine to implode and can trap air and bubbles at one end or create so much heat that the entire submarine implodes. The crew would most likely die from the implosion or from the tremendous pressure on their bodies. The USS Thresher, which was a nuclear submarine that sank in 1963 during deep dive trials. The sonar operators aboard another submarine heard a sound similar to air rushing into an air tank just before the Thresher imploded. Modern submarines are able to withstand much greater depths. An estimated crush depth for modern nuclear attack submarines is around 2,400 feet. There are, however, some military submarines that can go even deeper, up to 4,200 feet. The Bath Escape Trias, which descended to a depth of over 35,000 feet in the Challenger Deep. The Mariana Trench has a depth of 36,200 feet, and the water pressure at that depth is over 1,000 atmospheres.